Alright, so I'm going to show you how to change your center brake light bulb, and it's really easy, so anybody can do this. I'm going to show you how. So open up the trunk. Inside the trunk, if you look up, alright, so there it is. You'll see it right there. You just kind of grab the whole connector and everything and kind of twist it counterclockwise. Alright, and then the whole thing kind of drops out. You just pull this bulb out, put your new one in. I'll put a link down in the description again below for how to, what bulbs you need. Just pull that one out, put the new one in, and then you're going to put it in the same way. You're going to slide it back up into the hole, and it's going to go in at an angle. And then you twist it clockwise to lock it back into place. And that's it. Easy.